What's the meaning of amnesty? Amnesty. 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 Amnesty.
Amnesty is a pardon or forgiveness granted by a government or other authority for a group of people who have committed certain types of crimes or violations, usually related to political or social issues. The result of amnesty is that those who are granted it are released from any legal consequences or punishment for their actions. This can help to promote reconciliation, reduce tension, and create a more peaceful society. However, some may argue that amnesty can also send the wrong message by overlooking serious wrongdoings and undermining the rule of law.